bought a new toy. It's the Power Fill by, who's this by? I don't know, Graco or something like that, I believe. But I got this Power Fill pump. First time I'm going to use it, I just primed it. It seemed to prime really, really easy. Let's see how well it pumps up a bazooka. It has a setting from 0 to 10 right here. I have it on 10. Oh, well there it is. I actually thought it would be a little faster than that. But that's okay. It still beats this. Still beats this. Let me show you the other side of it. So, obviously when I primed it, a little bit of mud shot out. But other than that, it filled it up very nicely. Runs off of a DeWalt battery. I am really looking forward to working with this thing. I know it probably isn't the smartest tool to buy when you're just working by yourself. But if you had a group of people that were using pumps and filling up boxes and angle boxes and maybe even a couple of bazookas, or if you were running a bazooka like crazy, you don't want to have to stop and do this, right? Fill it up. You could just walk over, pop, 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 and go. So that's what I plan on doing, guys. Have a great day.
Hey, if you really like my videos, subscribe. And if you really, really like them, please just share them with somebody else. How do you like my new t-shirts? And you know, you also might want to check out these other videos that are playing right down here right now. So just click on them, all right? Subscribe. Have a great day.